So if you're a beginner but want to read Japanese newspapers, or you want to go through a document and see what's written in Japanese, there are of course extensions that are available on browser extensions that are available on Google Chrome, such as Yomichan. So you can hover over the kanjis and then figure out what each word is. But if you want to know just the gist of the whole thing and not any one particular word, you can use Google Translate. So for example, if I want to know this whole paragraph, uh, you can just go to Google, and this is google.com, and I can choose the translation service here. And I just need to, so I don't even need to set the language here. I can just click here and control paste it, and I'll get the English translation. This is a very decent translation, and considering the speed in which you get, you can also, as you can see here, once you move the cursor on top of the sentence, it will highlight where this is. So even for learners, another good thing is, even if you don't want the translation, if you see here, the reading of the kanjis are also given here. Especially the long reading, for example, as you can see here, have the accent on top. So and apart from this, it also has text to speech as well. So you can click on this, and then it will play the audio voice. It's not a great one. You can't use while you can't use it. I mean, it doesn't sound like a very natural voice. At least it will read through the whole text. Apart from this, you can also, for example, the same file, the same, let's say you have a document in which uh, you want it to be translated, or you want to know what the English translation is. You can click on it, upload it, and then just one click, and then it will over here translate it in this way. So I personally prefer the this one, because I get to see both sides of the translation. So yeah, so this is how you use Google Translate to quickly go through a lot of different texts, especially when you are a beginner or you just started out with Japanese, but you want to read Japanese newspapers.